everyone, I want to share with you a really short tip on how to successfully do the pigeon pose, which is really amazing for your glutes, basically your hips. So if you have tight hips, this is an amazing posture for you to do. And I want to give you a quick tip on how to do it properly when you're on the mat. When you are doing this, I want you to start with the front leg, and you're gonna have your bum, your tush, stacked right on top of that heel to start. You're gonna tuck the back toe under in the back and scooch it further behind you. What that does is it's helping to open up the psoas on the opposite side. So you're gonna feel this beautiful stretch from the upper part of the chest right down into the groin area of the opposite leg. So I'm scooching it further back, then I'm lowering the knee, lowering the toe. Once I get into that position, I'm gonna go ahead and start to scooch the heel of that leg that's in front. Now, if you wanna have a really, really deep stretch, you're gonna try to have the shin parallel to the front of the mat. Now, if we're feeling super tight, and this glute, this whole hip is like oosh, oosh, very tight, you're gonna keep the heel, the front heel, close to your body. So find out what's best for you. Once you find that spot, go ahead, tuck the back toe under, lift the knee off of the ground again, scoochy, scoochy, scooch that leg further back for an extra oomph, lower the knee, lower the toe. Find yourself lifting up with your chest for a nice big breath. Inhale, and then exhale, lower all the way down. And now you have successfully completed your pigeon pose.